Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to set an attribute to a variable during runtime. Without any further ado, let us start the video. Guys, in our previous video of Puppeteer you would have seen how to remove an attribute during runtime. Now I'll copy the same code. If you want to know how we have done this, I'll add the video on the top right corner of the page. You can easily get to know how we have done that. So I'll copy paste it here. So now we have copied as a set attribute. Set attribute, guys, will take two variables here. The entire code will be same. So I'll be writing here set attribute for an element. For an element here, let it be launch browser. Let the element be this. I need instead of remove attribute, I'll put set attribute. Here we'll be taking two things. Attrib, what is the value I need? So I'll be writing updated value, updated fname. So that will be good because name is fname already. So I'll be writing updated fname. The element attribute name will be updated fname. That's it. So now I'll be clearing the screen. Let me run npm test because I have kept in packet.json same thing. Just wait for a while. I think I have not saved it. So let me save this one. Now let me run npm test. Now it will launch the browser. It will wait for a while. So let me inspect it. So let me inspect the element. So you can see here updated fname is updated the name attribute. So test has been executed because of the weights we have given. That's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.